You start.
One start.
Good evening all, good evening sir. I'm very happy to be a part of this training session. And initially I offered certain practice. I'm waiting for looking at one of the cases. And after attending this classes, interpretation of the seminars is reported in different thing, and there are some insight into the setup of lab setup. Coming to Delhi is different.
How long journey is it?
8 hours.
3 hours. 3 hours. Yes. From Trichy to Delhi.
So first of you go from where to where?
From Kabul to Trichy.
How do you go?
Car.
By car. How many hours?
1.5 hours.
Then?
And from Trichy to Delhi 3 hours.
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours to airport. From airport to...
Okay.
You have a different experience really from South. And latest update, there's great knowledge in India. Yes, I know, and there's a lot of information. And really, I know what we have to do to this session. And I'm attending your classes regularly because really I have dedicated somewhat getting into that. So repeatedly I'm attending each sessions so that I can get even the 7th part I will complete the 3rd part I will do 2 times.
Indian Tamil.
Yeah, I have some difficulties. And
Submitting Tamil you can do.
நல்லா இருந்தது சொல்லு.
I'm ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது சார், நன்றி.
Thank you.
And I get good friends here. Meeting is very short period, but very good atmosphere.
Good people, no? Follow me. Good day. Thank you.
Good evening. Along with learning, no doubt your knowledge is updated, but we also make good friends, and sir motivated us a lot and uplifted our spirit and also taught us about different various method of relaxation that I did, and I enjoyed the session along with learning. Thank you so much.
How do you activate the eggs?
With the box breathing and also with the right and left.
They are activate parasympathetic.
Thank you, sir.
So I'm holding this photo frame, and the happiness that you can see in this photo frame is actual, and the vibe is actually good here. The aura is really good, and our training starts from 9 a.m. in the morning till 6:30. But all of us, I don't think anybody's tired because we are actually hungry for knowledge. And from morning till evening, if we get knowledge, we get what we want, then we don't feel tired. Thank you so much, sir, for keeping so good aura, so good vibes here, and teaching us so gracefully and nicely. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Lovely. Anyone else?
Good evening, sir and friends.
Mike.
Yeah.
Mike, she has
Fantastic.
Good evening, sir and friends. After a long time, I enjoyed a scientific session. Till now, scientific sessions usually, I've been in around 30 years of practice. Usually it will be very boring, but sir, he has made it very, very interesting, and his interest has, we also imbibed his interest. It's very, he made us feel at ease with all others. This batch is also a wonderful batch. Youngsters, the friends, yeah. And I was not quite interested. We were, yeah, initially, but since I have registered, I want to, not want to waste my money and want to come here. But definitely, sir, from the bottom of my heart, I am saying I am interested in this infertility. Till now, we are seeing only hysterectomy or obstetrics. Definitely, I am going to, within 10 days, we will start a IUI lab in our promise. I think sir is a very, very interesting personality. Most probably, we will also invite you to our state. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I mean, we felt at home. especially all the colleagues, friends, youngsters, and Shruti. Shruti was the first one to welcome us inside.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you for this memorable experience. Thank you. You all please come to Tamil Nadu. It will be very interesting to, very happy to host you.
Thank you.
Yeah, come.
Yes, my dear girl.
Sir, I want.
Yeah, please take your mic.
Everyone told everything, but I want to say two things for sir. Ki in whole of the lifetime we remember one teacher till our death. Then we will remember you always. And 2-3 things we are taking class. It is a great life lesson for me. And I move forward. We will remember this thing. Sir, I went home tomorrow and मतलब मैं जगी रही रात के 12 साढ़े 12 तक. You told me पहले मैं ऐसे ही कुछ लाने वाली थी मिठाई, फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं ऐसे करने से फिर बुरा लगा तो मैं then I made it. 9, 12, 30, 40 hours.
Thank you.
I belong to medical family, तो मेरी mother, father सब they all told about her teacher. I have read from this, I read from this, like C.P. ठाकुर से उन्होंने पढ़ाई करी है, वो सब मेरी mother बताती है. So I will tell your I have read from this and I will remember many life lessons.
Thank you so much. Change your mind. Thank you so much. Lovely. So, the girl with the air filter on. Fantastic. So, Pankaj, please. Yeah, so lovely. Thank you so much. Wow. God bless you all.
Thank you.
And now,